Good morning, everybody. We are here at the harbor, enjoying a nice walk. We're out here on a nice walk on a beautiful day. Sure you wear your mask when you're outside, even though I can't breathe at all. Tried to wear my sunglasses and it kept clouding up. This kid always thinks about food when we should be thinking about exercise. We're stuck in our house for so long. Need some exercise, not food. Eat all the time. Mommy, how's your foot feeling now?
It's getting better.
Good. So walking right now, are you feeling any pain?
No.
Pain is gone.
It's a pain really.
Well, I can feel that I'm walking on my side. That's all.
Yeah.
But
And now we're standing.
a lot better than before.
Good news.
So there is a good news.
There's hope for everybody.
Blue jays.
All the birds you can find in this bird conservation. Hey, fellas. Canada goose, and just up here, there's a squirrel.
Inside that cute nose.
Mr. Squirrel.
Oh, look at them. Where? It's just. None of the birds are eating them.
Going out on an adventure together as a family. Looking at nature's finest. Hey fellas, how you doing today? Enjoy your day.
Parents, don't do that. It always come. Do it like this.
Beautiful bird conservation here.
None of them are coming here.
Leaves are growing. Spring has sprung. Kendra's waiting for a chipmunk or a squirrel. Dana's walking pretty good now. Says she's not experiencing much pain anymore. Pain is pretty much gone. Finally, she can get out and do whatever she wants to do. No longer the assistance of a cane, a walker, or anything anymore.
Oh, there you go. Oh. Did he eat it?
No, I just sniffed her hand.
Huh?
Just sniffed her hand. That's where he lives.
When I do it like this, and then this one, when he was eating it, and then
Well, there you go. No, what
Cool.
I got it! I got one!
Oh, it's coming, it's coming. Yeah, and zoom.
Yes! Good job, Mommy. High five, high five. Not this one, because that's where the chicken went on. It kind of paws kind of hurt, but it actually feels good at the same time. Babies are so cute. Nothing easier. Is there supposed to be
Happy Thanksgiving! Ay, hello!
Oh, Canada Goose are tough.
That scared me.
Oh no!
Oh, because of the
Oh no!
babies.
Yeah.
Go, Canada Goose. They said, I don't want to go back there again. Two at the same time.
Good
I
luck.
got two at the same time.
Pecker.